Previously on Live to Fish 64.
Power washer. It's a Honda engine with a pump, and it's I bought this at Home Depot quite a while ago, probably 8 years ago, and it's an Excel 2800 PSI, and the motor kept running good. I just changed the oil in it and in the pump, and it just stopped high pressure. So I'm thinking it might be this here. So I'm going to pull this apart and take a look, see if there's anything in there that might be restricting or sticking or causing an issue. I did notice when I was running it that it was leaking a little bit under here as well. So I'm going to remove this though and take a look and see if that, I believe that's the restrictor valve, I think they call that, or relief valve, or whatever they're calling it. But anyway, I'm going to take a look and pull it down and just see if that's functioning right. So stay tuned. Also, stay tuned for the next phase of this pump recondition. The next video will show the keyway installed, and hopefully this thing will be running properly. So stay tuned. Thanks again for watching. Okay, I've just got this on here temporarily.
The keyway finally showed up from the post office today, so I can finish this project and see if this power washer will start running properly.
Now I got the new part came in, the keyway, so I believe that's just going to slide in. Something like that. I would think that it has to share half of it with the pump. Okay, it's all back together. Just got to get it down back on the ground.
I think the pump is functional, I hope, and we'll test it out and see.
Okay, so let's fire it up. See how she does. Ignition on, choke on, halfway anyway. See if I can start it. Diving board ordered. Give me a chance to clean that up.
Well, I hope you liked this episode. Stay tuned, lots more to come. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe.